Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. Before I get started with today's card design, I just wanted to share something a little special with you and a little personal. I hope you don't mind. Recently I had surgery done on my knee. I'm okay, everything is fine. I just had a scope done on my knee. I was to be on crutches for the next little while. And aside from my best friend picking me up and helping me with my groceries and that kind of thing, getting me my first initial prescription filled, that sort of thing, I was pretty much on my own. It was still quite difficult convalescing in your house by yourself. And I just want to say this, that I had 3 lovely ladies come by my house and help me a great deal. They brought food. They heated food up, they, fed me, they came and sat and talked with me, they helped with the kitties, they scooped the litter, they made sure that the kitties were looked after well. And I just want to say that these ladies are ladies that I met through Stampin' Up. So if any of you are out there in the world thinking that you want to belong to something really special, Stampin' Up is really special. These ladies, they're in my home helping me where my other friends weren't. So I do want to say that if you are considering joining Stampin' Up, you are a part of a community, whether you like it or not. These ladies are amazing and I am so happy to have them in my life. So thank you so very much, Debbie, Sandra, and Terry. Okay, you guys, I am featuring the Amazing Life stamp set for this card design today. And I will have you know that I am sort of lying down with my feet on the desk. My foot is like almost up in the air. I'm going to try to do this voiceover. I hope I don't screw up. I'm on painkillers. Did I mention that too? So there's a little bit of a narcotic in me, so I may or may not be held accountable to what I say. All right, so I have a piece of Whisper White here, and I am doing my favorite technique, and this is ink blending or sponging, whatever you want to call it. It is taking a little sponge, dabbing it into the ink, and in a circular motion transferring the ink to the Whisper White paper. So that was Petal Pink. And this, boop, is a new way of opening up the new ink pads. You just press on the back side and it plinks open. So I'll show you again in the next one. So this is Poppy Parade, and I am ink blending the ink onto this card. I have a little bit of a post-it note so that I don't get fingerprints on my card. And here it is, boop. See how I just pressed the back end there and it went open. So I learned that from Rachel Tessman, who learned that from Connie Stewart. So I think it's a really awesome way of not getting ink all over. So this is Grapefruit Grove, and again I am ink blending, which is my favorite technique. I love it. I love this for backgrounds. I'm doing sort of a pink to orange to reddy ombre look. So now I'm coming in with the Poppy Parade and inking up the bottom there, and I'm sort of switching between the two, Grapefruit Grove and Poppy Parade. And if you're wondering what I am inking on, that is a Stamparatus grid paper that I laminated in my Mink machine. So if you have a laminator, that's what I would suggest you do, because I just wiped it clean after that. I dried the paper, and now I've put my embossing buddy on it, and I'm using my Stamparatus so that I can ink this sentiment up twice. And this is the sentiment that says, "So happy to have you in my life." And truly that's what I am feeling right now for my friends from Stampin' Up that came to visit me, and also for all those lovely folks in social media land that gave encouragement. Sarah Fleming was another one that I was talking with on Facebook. She's almost ready to have her baby, everybody. That's pretty exciting. If you don't know who Sarah Fleming is, she's a lady that I've partnered up to do a few classes, online classes with. And we have a couple new, or well, one new class coming up for sure. And I'll talk about more about that in my newsletter. So what I have here is that beautiful little flower that is in the stamp set, and I am using white embossing powder to for all of this. See, I can't talk right now. Oh my gosh. Heating it from the back side just so that you get a good view of how heat embossing works and also the magic of it. Look at that ink blending. Ugh. All right, so just ignore the ribbon here because this was, like I said, I'm on painkillers and I did not like it there. So I took it off. And I'm just going to make a small little bow and put a glue dot behind it. And you know what? It's a simple card. It was easy enough to make. A little bit of ink blending, a little bit of heat embossing, and now I've made a teeny tiny little bow with that. I can't remember the ribbon. It's a celebration item though. You can earn it for free. So that's my card for today. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully I'll have something for you on Wednesday. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.